Ever wondered what it takes to make your first $1 million? Is it luck, hard work, or just knowing the right strategies? Today on No Money, we're diving into 15 practical ways to earn your first million. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to grow your wealth, these strategies are your roadmap to financial freedom. So stay tuned as we are going to unlock these secrets for you. Number 1, build an online business. Starting an online business is one of the fastest paths to your first million. The online world offers speed, lower costs, and flexibility compared to traditional businesses. You can earn through ad revenue, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, selling your own products or services, or freelancing. For example, blogging can be highly lucrative. Identify a niche you're passionate about, build a website, create valuable content, and learn to attract your audience. The potential is endless. Just start and keep going. Number 2, start a side hustle. A side hustle can be a game changer, whether you have a full-time job or not. It's all about leveraging your skills or exploring new ones to earn extra income. From freelance writing to selling handmade crafts or offering tutoring services, the possibilities are endless. For instance, some people are making money by selling AI-generated art on Etsy. Focus on side hustles you enjoy and that have the potential to grow, ensuring you stay motivated and keep the cash flowing in. Number 3, invest in real estate.
This is the strategy that people employ. Yeah. They buy a property, you fix it up, you rent it out, and then you refinance it and say it's now worth $100,000 more than what you bought it for. You can get a loan for that exact amount, which you then use as a down payment on another property, rinse and repeat. Do I have that right?
So let's say the property goes from 1 to 1.1, they'll give you 70 to 80% of that. That extra $100,000, they give you $70,000, $80,000 of that.
It's just that simple, folks.
Yeah.
Real estate investing offers the potential for significant returns, either through rental income or property flipping. You can start by investing in single-family homes, multi-family dwellings, or commercial properties. Even if you need a loan, rental income can often cover payments. Research your local market thoroughly, understand property laws, and start with a property that fits your budget and goals. Over time, expand your portfolio by reinvesting your profits and watch your wealth grow steadily. Number 4, sell online courses. If you have expertise in a particular area, selling online courses can be a highly profitable way to share your knowledge. From coding to cooking, people are willing to pay to learn new skills. Platforms like Udemy and Skillshare allow you to reach large audiences without the need for your own website. Focus on creating courses that are informative, engaging, and valuable. The best part? Once your course is live, it can generate passive income with minimal ongoing effort. Number 5, start freelancing. Freelancing offers the freedom to monetize your skills on your own terms. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, web developer, or social media manager, platforms like Fiverr and Upwork can connect you with clients from around the world. Build a strong portfolio, set competitive rates, and focus on delivering top-quality work to gain repeat clients and referrals. As you establish yourself, you can increase your rates and take on more lucrative projects, turning freelancing into a substantial income stream. Number 6, sell e-commerce products. With e-commerce, you can reach customers worldwide without needing a physical storefront. Platforms like Shopify, Amazon, and Etsy make it easy to start selling products, whether they're handmade goods, digital downloads, or popular retail items. The key is to find products with good profit margins and a strong market demand. Invest in quality product photos, clear descriptions, and effective marketing strategies like social media ads to drive traffic to your store and increase sales. Number 7, become an influencer.
Every single thing you do online, from a Facebook status to an Instagram post, is influencing people. So from now on, make sure you're intentional with your influence. Even if you're thinking, but Jordan, I don't want to start a personal brand, I don't want to be an influencer, that's fine. You don't need to grow a personal brand, but just know that everybody is an influencer in their own way. The only difference is the size of their fan base. Now, this is a very important one because your potential clients will check you out the moment you have booked a meeting with them, and you want to make sure that you're portraying the right image from the get-go. So engage in Facebook groups, provide provide value on your profiles and ask questions. Get thought-provoking. Get people engaging with your Facebook profile or your Instagram. Be someone who your clients want to work with before they even meet you. Be a person of influence.
The rise of social media has created a whole new avenue for making money. Becoming an influencer doesn't necessarily mean having millions of followers. Even micro-influencers with smaller engaged audiences can earn big by partnering with brands. Focus on building a personal brand that resonates with your audience, and only promote products or services that align with your values. As your influence grows, so will your opportunities to earn through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and collaborations. Number 8. Try coaching or consulting. If you have deep knowledge in a specific field, coaching or consulting can be a lucrative way to share your expertise. Offer one-on-one coaching sessions or group workshops, either online or in person. Building a strong network and a credible online presence is crucial. Engage on platforms like LinkedIn, create valuable content, and offer free insights to attract potential clients. Providing exceptional service and consistent results will help you command higher fees and grow your business. Number 9. Write an ebook. Ebooks are a fantastic way to share your expertise or creativity without the upfront costs of physical publishing. Choose a topic you know well and write a book that provides real value to your readers. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it easy to reach a global audience. Once published, promote your book on social media through email marketing or by running ads. Your ebook can generate ongoing passive income with each sale, adding to your growing wealth. Number 10. Invest in stocks.
Stocks are safe for the long run, and they're very unsafe for tomorrow. Berkshire, 3 times since I took over, has gone down roughly 50%. Did I feel poor then? No, not at all. I knew it was going to be worth more over time. American business is going to be worth more over time. That's what you're buying as a business. You're not buying a stock. You're buying a piece of a whole bunch of businesses. Are those businesses going to be worth more 10 or 20 or 30 years from now? Of course they are. But if you think you can jump in and out, or that you know the time to come in, I think you're making a mistake.
Investing in the stock market is one of the most reliable methods to grow your wealth. Start by learning the basics of stock investing and consider low-cost index funds or ETFs as a beginner-friendly option. Diversify your portfolio to spread risk and consider automated investing strategies like dollar cost averaging to keep your investment plan consistent. With time, patience, and regular contributions, your stock investments can compound and significantly boost your financial standing. Number 11. Become a successful YouTuber. If you love creating videos, YouTube can be a fun and profitable way to make money. Build a channel around your passions, whether it's gaming, cooking, or sharing financial tips. You don't need millions of subscribers. Engagement and quality content are key. Monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Plus, you can use your channel to promote other income streams like online courses or ebooks. Consistency and connecting with your audience are your best tools for success. Number 12. Maximize your 401k. Maximizing your 401k or any retirement plan is a smart way to grow your wealth over time. Contribute as much as possible, especially if your employer matches your contributions. Invest those funds in low-cost index funds or ETFs to ensure your money grows with the market. Regular contributions, compound interest, and time are your allies in building a $1 million nest egg. By planning for your future now, you set yourself up for financial freedom later in life. Number 13. Become a day trader. Day trading involves buying and selling stocks within the same day to take advantage of short-term market movements. While it's risky and requires a lot of knowledge, it can be highly profitable for those who master it. Start small, learn the market, and develop strategies that minimize risk, like using stop-loss orders. Day trading isn't for everyone, but for those willing to put in the time and effort, it can be a lucrative path to reaching your first million. Number 14. Invest in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum offer high-risk, high-reward investment opportunities. Before diving in, educate yourself about the market and start with small investments. Diversify your holdings to spread risk and always have a clear exit strategy. Crypto can be volatile, so it's essential to stay informed and make decisions based on data, not emotions. With careful planning, investing in cryptocurrencies can be a part of your strategy to hit that $1 million mark. Number 15, develop and sell an app. If you have a knack for tech or a great idea, developing an app could be your ticket to earning $1 million. From simple utility apps to complex games, there's a huge market for innovative applications. You don't need to code yourself. Platforms like Upwork can connect you with developers who can bring your idea to life. Once your app is launched, you can earn through ads, in-app purchases, or subscriptions. With the right idea and execution, the app market offers significant earning potential. Whether you choose to invest, start a side hustle, or build a business, the path to financial freedom is within reach. Start small, stay committed, and watch your wealth grow over time. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to No Money, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. Your journey to $1 million starts now.